bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
your servant I am. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. Woken up the demon, yeah, me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it run to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. And this is the gift that has been given to me. Inside you, the sickness is rising. Don't try to deny what you feel. Will you give it to me? It seems that all that was good has died and is decaying in me. Will you give it to me? It seems you're having some trouble in dealing with these changes, living with these changes. Now, the world is a scary place. Now that you've woken up the demon, yeah, man. Pinakalat mo, ba't ka naman ganyan? Tinitira mo ko ng talikuran. Di mo ba alam ako'y nasasaktan? Turing ko sa'yo kumpare pa naman. Sabi nila tinawag mo kong bakla. Maldita kang talaga, at ang kapal ng mukha. Di ako bakla. Sa boses pa lang di mo ba halata? Pag di ka tumigil ng pagsasalita, sasampalin kita. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Ho, ho, ho.
Ang di niya lang alam at di ko masabi na ako'y isang Darna. Ang iniingat-ingatan ko, ang ugat, lawit at muscle ko, na tinatago-tago ko pa sa tuwing kami magkasama.
Shampoo dito, shampoo dyan, healthy hair ating yaman. Shampoo dito, shampoo dyan, mas abot kaya ng bayan. Sulit ang Vaseline, walang mabibitin, shampoo natin. Sulit ang Vaseline, walang mabibitin, shampoo natin. Sulit ang Vaseline, walang mabibitin, shampoo natin. Yeah!
Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang laging kulang ang datong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sa magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin.